Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this channel where we analyze stocks for you by the way of technical analysis and try to bring in the best case possibilities for you from the point of view of investing and trading. The stock that we have chosen today is actually a pair of stocks, and it is a pair from the pharma domain, and we'll be analyzing Dr. Reddy's and Cipla also, which was suggested by one of our viewers in the comment box. So Dr. Reddy's and Cipla have been in an uptrend since a very long time post the COVID-19 situation, wherein the pharma sector has been doing really well, and we have been analyzing pharma stocks quite regularly on this channel. We have analyzed various stocks like Lupin, Aurobindo, Divis Labs, Cadila, Sun Pharma. You can find the links in the description and refer those videos once again. Also friends, if you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you are updated with videos like these. Also keep on commenting in these videos. If you have got any stocks and suggestions for the analysis, we'll be taking up your stocks for sure. Also mention the city name if possible while you're commenting in the comment box. So let's go on the chart of both Dr. Reddy's and Cipla and see what possibilities we can find there. So here we are on the chart of Dr. Reddy's and we're looking at the monthly time frame first. So what do we see here is that the stock was in a downtrend since the last 3 to 4 years, that is till late 2018. And after 2018 we see a rise in the price, and the bullish momentum can be seen, and which has been continuing since today. So the overall momentum right now in the stock of Dr. Reddy's is a bullish one. We see that the price is making higher highs and higher lows, and this candle here, you see the April candle, the April monthly candle is a huge bullish candle which shows a lot of momentum coming into the stock. This is the chart of Cipla, and we're looking at the monthly time frame again for Cipla. The previous move of Cipla is a different one as compared to Dr. Reddy's. We are seeing a bearish momentum over here, and then we see post the COVID-19 scenario, we see the surge in price, and the price is approaching a resistance over here. We can say that the momentum is bullish as it is in most of the pharma stocks as on today. So both Dr. Reddy's and Cipla showing good momentum and a bullish momentum in the monthly time frame. Also, the moving averages suggesting that we recently see a bearish crossover of EMA 21 over EMA 55, though that is not a cause of concern because moving averages 144 is way below both these moving averages, and also the price in this case of Cipla is a bit overextended. Let's have a look at Dr. Reddy's. The same is the case with Dr. Reddy's also. It's a bit overextended as compared to the moving averages, but that has been again the case with most of the pharma stocks. So let's analyze them further and go in the weekly time frame. So this is the weekly time frame of Dr. Reddy's. Now what do we see here friends, that the price is trying to make an advance, but the last 3 sessions, that is last 3 weeks, the price has been facing a tough resistance, which also is evident by these 3 shadows that you see over here. So these are the 3 shadows that you can see here, and also the last week over here ended with a shadow, so that is the rejection of price. So we can draw a trend line over here in this manner. So this is a resistance that the price is facing, and we need to analyze this resistance for further deeper study. So this is the resistance that we can see here. So what do we see here in the weekly time frame friends, that the price is making higher highs and higher lows. So you can see that this line here was acting as a support, but now the support has changed, and you can see the price taking supports over here. So we can see a couple of shadows over here which are taking support for this price. So we can clearly make a conclusion that the price is making higher highs over here. But what do we see here in the case of Dr. Reddy's? This is one swing that we can see. So this is one swing, this is the another one. Both of them are facing the same support, the same resistance, sorry. But in this case, we see that the price is advancing upwards. So this swing made a support, found a support over here, and then this swing is trying to find a support over here. So the advance in the bullish direction is clearly visible in the case of Cipla. On the contrary, in the case of Dr. Reddy's, we find the same resistance line intact even now. So this tells us something like what should be our first choice between these two stocks. Definitely it should be Cipla, because we see a advance in the upward direction, and in the case of Dr. Reddy's we don't see that. Let's also calculate the Fibonacci retracement which this stock of Dr. Reddy's has shown. So this is the impulsive wave, and if we calculate the fall which the pullback we can call it, the pullback has taken a support at 23.6% of the Fibonacci level, and then it has made an advance. So here there are chances that we might see a double top and the price can come down. Anything is possible. We are doing a technical analysis over here, so we are reading the charts to the best of its possibility. That is possible over here. So clearly friends, in this case of Dr. Reddy's, we don't want to force ourselves and come to some conclusion, because that is not a suggested way of performing technical analysis. Though we have chosen both these stocks, we don't want to forcefully find some opportunities in these stocks and then forcefully come to a conclusion. The picture is very clear over here. We are facing a tough resistance over here, and that is our conclusion right now for Dr. Reddy's, and we don't see a tough resistance over here in the case of Cipla. The price is trying to take a support, finding a new support, and that is our conclusion for this stock of Cipla. Now let's analyze Cipla into detail and go to the daily time frame. So here if I draw a few trend lines, we can see that the price has been making upward advances in a channel. So this line has acted as a resistance for the price, and similarly if you see, this line has been acting as a support. We see supports on 3 to 4 occasions over here, though if I can fine tune this, it will be a more valid trend line. So this can be a valid trend line if I can just fine tune this a bit further, and that's okay. So this is a channel that the price has been advances in the bullish direction. And what do we see here? That after the price tried to approach this part of the chart over here, we see a huge bullish candle. So this again proves that this line is being respected as a support, and today is a doji formation. You can see the doji formation over here with some body in the candle. So we can come to a conclusion that this will give us a good chance, because there is quite a room for expansion till the price approaches this resistance line. So just if we calculate this advance in the price which can happen, and the price can reach the resistance line, so it comes out to be around 6.8%. So we can say that a room for 7% swing trade is possible over here. So that is one possibility, and let me note that down over here. A swing room of 7% is possible while the price advances towards the resistance. So what can be the stop loss over here, friends? The first stop loss that should come to your mind is obviously the support line. If you try to enter in this stock at a price which is lower than the current price, we can say that if the price meets the support line over here, we can see that we are seeing a fall of a -3% over here, which is very good according to our risk reward ratios. So in this trade, respecting this support line and considering as an indication for your stop loss will be a very valid opinion. So let's take a note over here and mention that. So stop loss will be indicated by the immediate support that is at 3%. Considering a comparison between Dr. Reddy's and Cipla, we clearly see that this is facing a resistance. So if the price advances and breaks this resistance, then it is a different case. But as of now, it is facing a resistance, and Cipla is having an edge over Dr. Reddy's because we see a bounce from the support line in this stock of Cipla, and we see higher highs formation over here. So this was in a nutshell how we can choose between two stocks. Both the stocks are actually doing really well, but the weekly time frame in Dr. Reddy shows that the price is facing a resistance currently, and Cipla is trying to make higher highs and higher lows in the weekly time frame. So Our opinion towards Cipla becomes a more consolidated one, wherein we can choose our trading spots, and as we identified that the price has been moving in a channel when it is advancing in the bullish direction. So we found out that the price recently has been taking a support, and once it started that support on the support line, it has shown a bounce in the form of a very bullish green candle on the chart. So you can choose your entry point as per understanding from this video. The target is obviously the resistance line that the price is facing. You can also set higher targets from the investing point of view, because the price is already making higher highs and higher lows. So it is a good stock from the point of view of investing. Also, you must refer the monthly time frame in that case and take your decisions accordingly. So this was the analysis of Dr. Reddy's and Cipla. You can also refer to all other videos where we have been analyzing various other stocks in the pharma sector as well as other sectors. The links are given in the description. Also, if you find this analysis useful and if it has brought any value addition for you, please subscribe the channel, enable the bell icon. That's it in this video of today. We'll be back again. Thank you.